Welcome back to part 3 of designing chocolate bar packaging from the ground up, and I'm bringing you guys along with me. Today I want to work on two things, and that's finalizing the flavors and starting the first sketch that's going to go on the inside of the frame. So to remind you guys, I'm planning on doing 3 different flavors, each with a custom illustration that goes on the inside of this frame. My first thought was that each flavor would be tropical or beach themed, but the more I think about that, the more I feel like each bar, illustration, and design will look too similar, so I think I'm going to move away from that. But I have made up my mind on at least the first flavor, and that's going to be sun toasted coconut. Since we have the name picked out, I started sketching out ideas on my iPad in Procreate, and here's what I ended up with. Since this first flavor is called sun toasted coconut, I really wanted this first design to feel bright and sunny. So I designed a palm tree sitting beneath a radiating sun with some coconuts in the middle of the palm tree as well as some sitting at the bottom. I then brought the sketch into Illustrator and placed it inside the base frame that we've already made. This was a really cool moment placing the artwork in here because it really started to make the whole project feel complete, and it made me feel like my vision was actually going to work. I wanted to do another test print to see how the artwork is shaping up on the actual chocolate bar. I decided to get this test print done at FedEx on cardstock since this is what the final packaging will be on. I love how the artwork turned out on this test print, and printing on the cardstock helped it fit a bit better too. It's not as loose in there. I also added the brand name to the side of the chocolate bar, which I like. I might end up doing a design element, but I think it looks good for now. I'm so excited. We have 1 of 3 of the chocolate bars basically done. Check back in on the next episode for when we finalize the next 2 flavors and illustrations. I'll see you guys in the next one.